Today I'm going to show you how to remove an oil pan without damaging it so you can reuse it. Let's get into it. Obviously this is going to be easier for me because my engine is currently out of the car, but if your engine's in the car and you're underneath it, look for one of these surfaces where you have a protruding edge, and then I get a razor blade, trying to keep it as flat as possible against it, right? Because you don't want to damage or mar it. But boom, you see, I already created a little bit of separation in there, right at this surface. Now next up, I have this old, really thin putty knife that I have sharpened to a point. Same thing, we can get in there and start working it around, right? Some people take a hammer and knock it against the pan. I'm really against that personally because these are thin sheet metal pans and you can damage them easily and warp them when they're coming off. This way is much safer, just removing the sealant bond around the entire edge of the pan so it separates. I've only been at it for a minute, and there you see. There we go. Simple as that. As you can see here, I successfully removed the pan without damaging or marring the sealing surface in any way, shape, or form. Razor blade and a really thin putty knife, and the pan was off in under a minute. Really simple process. Now obviously I know some pans might have a different type of sealant that is more stuck. You just got to be patient with it. But the same thing, take your razor blade, work at one of the accessible edges, then take your really thin rigid is key, putty knife, keep it flush, and then just tap it around after you created a little bit of gap with your razor blade, and just work it around and being really patient with it until the pan comes off. I hope that helps. Follow along for future videos. Stay boosted.